Hello friends, welcome once again to Esomnofo Online Math. If this is your first time of viewing, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page at Esomnofo Online Math. This is a continuation of my works on linear equations, and in this video we are focusing our attention on the equations involving brackets, that is linear equations. So to solve equations that are involving brackets, all you just need to do is to use the numbers outside or the terms outside to multiply those terms or expressions in the bracket. Like in the first example here, you have 3 into 3m minus 4 equals 4 into 3m plus 9. To solve this, the number that is outside is 3. So I will use this 3 to open up the bracket. I will have 3 times 3m is equivalent to 9m. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12 equals, we'll have 4 here, so this 4 will go into the bracket. We'll have 4 times 3m is 12m plus 4 times 9 will give us 36. Now you've just got to collect like terms, and this 12m will meet 9m, and negative 12 will meet positive 36. Remember, we prefer that letters stay at the left while numbers stay at the right. And whenever any term is moving from one side to the other, the sign will always change. So here we'll have 9m, this is positive 12, coming in here becomes negative 12m equals, already we have 36 here, minus 12 will cross over to give us positive 12. Now 9m minus 12m is equivalent to minus 3m equals 36 plus 12 will give us 48. Now to obtain the value of m, I will divide both sides by minus 3, which is the coefficient of m. So I will have over minus 3 over minus 3. This cancels out. So m will give me 48 divided by negative 3 is negative 16. And this is the value of m. So let's take the second question. In the second question, we have 3 minus 2 into x plus 3 equals 6x plus 5. So to solve this, we're not going to use 3 to open the bracket because 3 is not the closest to the bracket. The number attached to the bracket is negative 2, not just 2 but a negative 2. Okay, so don't use 3. And many students will make the mistake of saying 3 minus 2 is wrong because there is a product here. There is a bond linking this negative 2 and the bracket. And the bond mass, you have to multiply first before you subtract. That is why you must open the bracket first. So many students every now and then make this mistake of saying 3 minus 2. This is very, very wrong. So you don't do that. We've got to use negative 2 to go into the bracket. So we still repeat this 3. We now have minus 2 times x is minus 2x, and minus 2 times 3 is minus 6 equals 6x plus 5. Now 3 minus 6 is the same thing as negative 3, then minus 2x equals 6x plus 5. Now collect like terms. This 6 will meet this, while this negative 3 will meet 5. So we shall have minus 2x minus 6x equals 5 is here already. Minus 3 crossing over becomes plus 3. And minus 2x minus 6x is equivalent to minus 8x minus 8x equals 5 plus 3 is 8. So to get the value of x, I will divide both sides by negative 8. So I have minus 8 over minus 8. Minus 8 cancels minus 8. So x is equivalent to minus 1 because 8 divided by minus 8 is equivalent to negative 1. So let us clean this and take the third question. In the third question, we have 3 into x plus 6 minus 2 into 1 minus 3x equals 24. So as usual, we use the numbers close to the bracket to multiply it. So we have 3 times x is 3x, 3 times 6 is 18. This is negative 2, not just 2. So we use negative 2 to open the bracket. We shall have minus 2 times 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 times minus 3x is plus 6x equals 24. Okay, so you collect like terms. Here 3x plus 6x is 9x. 18 minus 2 is 16 equals 24. Okay, so this positive 16 will go here to meet this 24. When it goes there, it becomes subtraction. So we have 9x equals 24 minus 16. So 9x will give us around 8, because 24 minus 16 will give us 8. So to get the value of x, I will divide both sides by 9. This cancels out. So x is equivalent to 8 over 9. And this is still a proper fraction. So let's take the last question. In the fourth question, we have k is equivalent to 12 minus 15 plus 3k. Okay, so this is now k equals 12. Remember, you don't use this 12 to open this bracket because there is a negative sign here. And this negative sign implies negative 1. It's just like we are using minus 1 to open a bracket. Okay, or you just use the negative sign that is here to affect everything inside. So when negative sign affects 15, it becomes negative 15. Negative affecting positive 3k becomes negative 3k. So you collect like terms. This 3k will meet k. So we have k plus 3k. It is negative here. Coming here is now positive. Equals 12 minus 15 will give us minus 3. And k plus 3k is equivalent to 4k equals minus 3. Okay, so to get the value of k, I've got to divide both sides by 4. I'll have over 4 over 4. This cancels out. So k is equivalent to minus 3 all over 4. And that's just the answer. Kindly share this video if you've enjoyed what you've watched. Thank you.